Hello to all cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Welcome to Quick Tech Pro. In this video, we are going to explore together the process of converting USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet in a quick and easy way. So if you're looking for how to do this conversion, keep watching. The first thing we need to do is open the Trust Wallet app on our device. Make sure you have it downloaded and updated. Before doing any conversion, check if you have BNB available in your Trust Wallet. It is important to have some BNB to carry out conversions. At the bottom of the application, you will find the Swap option. Click on this option to access the conversion function. Within the conversion function, select the currency you wish to convert, in this case USDT. Enter the amount you wish to convert. Then, select the currency you want to get, in this case, TRX. Click on Continue. Verify the details of the conversion and, when you are ready, click Approve. You may be asked to confirm the transaction using your password or biometric authentication. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope it's been helpful for those looking to convert USDT to TRX on Trust Wallet. If you have any questions or if there are any specific topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful cryptocurrency tutorials. See you next time.